I love Brussels sprouts. So tonight what I'm going to make is I'm going to roast this in the air fryer. I love Brussels sprouts. I can make it like a Brussels sprouts dip. So I'm going to cut this in half and then put some olive oil, salt and pepper and just roast it in the air fryer for probably 15 minutes. I'm using my Santoku knife. It's my everyday knife actually. So it's gonna keep on cutting. And then I'm going to make steak, but I'm going to use, like I said, also the air fryer, so I can actually cook them at the same time. For the steak cooks like 45 minutes in a roast setting or actually air fried setting. I like my steak a little bit really tasty, so I'm gonna add olive oil and salt and pepper. Let me just finish this. Okay, almost there. Everything there. I'm going to make this just one steak because it's just me. I'm just gonna add some olive oil in my Brussels sprouts. And put it in a tray. This is one of my favorite vegetables. Cabbage is one. So now there is my steak and the Brussels sprouts. I'm going to set it up. Well, it's in the air fryer now. I'm just gonna let me close it. I'm gonna set it up for 45 minutes, but then again I will remove the Brussels sprouts after probably 15-20 minutes. All right, set it up. I'll set it up with roast, and then 45 minutes. It will give me a warning when it's already halfway through the cooking part. All right, let's wait and see. I will post a picture when the vegetable and the steak is cooked. See you soon. So here is my steak. I kind of like burn the Brussels sprouts a little, but look at that. I love beans. So that's my dinner. No rice, just that beef and Brussels sprouts. Okay, everyone, thank you for watching. See you soon.